Sit
I didn't hear.
loudly. Say
I
hello.
didn't-
Hello, mermaid today.
Say how you like my need to be mermaid. Like and subscribe. And look at me. Look, it's other bird that's flying over you. I'm going to catch you. I think you're a fish. I'm a bird. I think you're a fish, so I'm going to catch you.
I have a shell.
I think you're a fish, so I'm going to come eat you. Whoa, whoa. Oh no, this is not a fish. I better run away.
Boy mermaid left his tail to run away from bird.
Bro, Daddy said you left your tail to save yourself.
But I want it. I just like being covered in sand. That's why I did that.
This mermaid have turtle and going to have crocodile.
Alligator.
Oh, that's alligator.
Hey,
I swear.
Let me see an alligator.
what's that?
Triangle. What's up, baby cat?
Crocodile.
What did you do?
What did he do? Fix it then. Okay, do it again, fix it.
Okay, put more sand in there.
That was the worst video we ever. Just kidding. Maybe.
Yeah, I'll give you some sand. There you go. There you go, mermaid.
Let me see mermaid's crocodile.
Turtle.
Ooh, this mermaid have
turtle.
crocodile.
You destroyed it. You destroyed the turtle.
Yeah, you are a prince though.
I'm not her friend. Yes, you are.